The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Monroe County until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles southeast of Madisonville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Satico. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.